Take a look at the roof plans to identify the first ring beam. Slide the first 2 ring beams into place over the frames. Connect the beams at the corner using silicone sealant. Fix the beams into place using cleats at the top and inside of the ring beam using the 19mm self-tapping screws. Drill up to secure the first 2 ring beams through the window frames with 70mm self-tapping screws to secure into place. The windows must be open at this stage. Fit the final beam, remembering to take care at the corners. Again, fix with cleats and the 19mm self-tapping screws on the top and inside.